The Happizza square pin button press machine is a crafter's dream, a gateway to a world of personalized expression. This marvelous contraption is not just a tool. It's a creative foundry where ideas are forged into tangible badges of honor. With its installation-free design, you can unleash your creativity in a matter of moments, effortlessly transforming humble paper designs into polished, professional-looking buttons. This kit, which includes a generous supply of 100 button-making components, is a treasure chest of potential, promising endless hours of artistic exploration. It's a testament to the fact that great things often come in small, square packages. The Happizza square pin button press machine, with its intuitive operation and sturdy construction, stands as a beacon for DIY enthusiasts, beckoning them to craft, create, and celebrate their unique vision. Therefore, it is a truly remarkable tool for anyone who loves to make their own accessories. Furthermore, the machine's robust build and user-friendly interface make the process of button making a delightful journey, not a tedious chore. Imagine, if you will, the satisfying click and press as the machine works its magic. A symphony of creation. Consequently, each completed button is a small victory, a miniature masterpiece that you brought into existence. This Happizza square pin button press machine is a tireless workhorse, capable of producing a steady stream of badges for your business, your club, or simply for your own personal collection. It's a machine that empowers you to wear your heart on your sleeve. Or rather, to press your art onto a pin. Besides, the kit's comprehensive nature means you won't be scrambling for additional parts. Everything you need to start your button-making adventure is right there at your fingertips. In conclusion, it's a comprehensive and compelling package for any crafter. Ultimately, this machine transcends its function as a simple tool. It becomes a partner in your creative endeavors. Its 50mm 1.97 inches square shape offers a distinctive canvas, a refreshing departure from the conventional round button. On the other hand, the vast potential for customization means that no two buttons ever have to be the same, allowing for a truly unique and personalized collection. For example, you can create buttons with photos, drawings, logos, or witty sayings. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. The Happizza square pin button press machine is, therefore, a key to unlocking a world of artistic potential, a veritable cornucopia of creativity. It's a device that doesn't just make buttons. It makes memories, statements, and gifts that are truly one of a kind. Pros: great little machine for the price, easy to make buttons, works great, fun to use, awesome. Magnet maker, worth the money, easy for her to use it, easy to use, great product, daughter loves it, has a blast making magnets, great success. Cons: some of the magnets do not seal, magnet product is not good quality, feels like it will break. Products are coming out incomplete, plastic sheets are too small, gets stuck often, makes horribly loud and scary sound. Features: 50mm 1.97 inches pin maker machine, square shaped pin badge, button press machine, comes with 100 PCs button supplies, DIY pin maker machine kit, easy to use, no installation required, makes square buttons. The Happizza square button maker machine is an easy to use, installation-free kit designed for making square pin badges. This DIY pin press machine comes with 100 button supplies, so you can start creating right away. The machine makes 50mm 1.97 inches square buttons, making it a great choice for anyone looking to create custom pins without a complicated setup process. The Happizza square button maker machine is a budget-friendly and user-friendly device that's easy to set up and fun to use. It's a great product for making buttons and magnets, and kids love it. However, Some users have noted several issues. The machine can feel flimsy and may get stuck often, making a loud, alarming sound. The quality of the magnet materials is subpar, and the plastic sheets are too small, which can lead to incomplete products that don't seal properly.